Okay, so originally when we planned this event, we were going to use our new event space right here outside and do something great. And as a part of it, we were going to do a dedication of our new offices. So I want to give you the real quick tour of what we've been up to for the last couple of years, building our offices for cash as we went. This is our warehouse space. You can see we have pallets of donated computers out there already. That Bobcat is our makeshift forklift. We actually had computers going out to Zambia this week to students that don't have any internet access. Workshop, this is where stuff happens. And then when we go upstairs, this is where we are going to have our new offices. And right now, of course, everybody's working from home, but this is going to be a really cool setup for us. So this is our conference table with our video conferencing setup. Right over here, somebody needed to get rid of their old pool table, so that's going to be our intern space right there. And what's really cool is when we go up the stairs here, we come into our studio. And the studio that we've set up here for filming is going to allow us to get all of our coaching and mentoring for students online so that this actually becomes an international program for helping students, which is really cool. And then I have to show you one last thing. Of course, we had to put in a fireman's pole. Thanks, that's it of the tour.